What? Ridiculous. Like, who drives like that? Damn, goes up, stays like a minute, and then flies back down, trying to hit cars. It's like that neighbor, his neighbor. Yeah, he was awful. We're driving so bad too. Like, damn, what are you trying to do? I'm gonna take my GPS and plug it onto my computer too. I was gonna do that. Man, whoever that is, they're nuts. Do not drive like that. I know, it's like they try to hit people. It's like, dude, not good. Yeah, that's just insane. Like, who drives like that? I think that's crazy. That's not even how you're supposed to drive. Speeding like that, trying to hit cars. All streets are 25 or 30, more than that now. Looks like airplane landing. Damn, that's too fucking. That is way too bright. Damn. It's too bright. I don't know why you drive like that. Dude, I don't drive like that, I'm supposed to have a high beam on. Unless it's to violate the law constantly.
Ed Sheeran on Star 1013. More variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today. Good evening. I'm Jason from the Marcus and Corey Morning Show. Marcus from the Morning Show loves this song. Lizzo. It's called About Damn Time.
It's 10 o'clock, yeah, it's big 3. I've been through a lot, but I'm still free. Everybody back up in the building. It's been a minute, tell me how you feeling. Cause I'm about to get into my feelings. How you feeling? How you feel right now? I've been so down and under pressure.
from the decade of the Beanie Babies, Live La Vida Loca, and GoldenEye on Nintendo.
It's back to the 90s all weekend on Star 1013.
Sponsored by Belvedere Vodka, made of only Polska rye, purified water, distilled fire, made with nature.
Are you ready for your palm reading, my dear?
Yeah, let's do this.
I sense that you crave something.
More reliable.
Right. You know you and want out of a relationship.
Yes, with my big name wireless carrier.
You're who now?
My big name wireless carrier. That's why I switched to Xfinity Mobile. Now I get unlimited with 5G for $30 per month on the most reliable 5G network.
Let's talk about your aura. It's so...
And get this, they can even save you hundreds a year on your wireless. T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon.
Wow, that's actually really impressive.
Yep, but you already knew that, didn't you?
Oh yeah, I definitely saw this coming.
Start seeing savings today. Switch to the fastest mobile service, Xfinity Mobile. Now with the best price on 2 lines of unlimited, just $30 a line per month. Switch today. Xfinity Internet required. Price comparison for 2 unlimited lines under available 5G pricing plan. Top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees extra. Reduced speeds up to 20 gigabytes of usage per line. Most reliable based on root metrics. US report. Comcast analysis of mobile Wi-Fi and cellular data from Ookla Speed Test Intelligence Q2 2020.
Time. Then I discovered Babbel.
Babbel's lessons are fun. They only take like 10 or 15 minutes, and in 3 weeks, presto, you're speaking another language, like magic.
I love that Babbel's lessons aren't just robots talking. They're voiced by native speakers, so you get the pronunciation just right. If you want to learn a language, there's no faster, easier, better way than
Babbel.
Babbel.
Babbel. Go to Babbel.com to try for free. That's BABBEL.com. Babbel.com.
The hottest summer deals are at Mattress Firm. The best sale of the year and save up to $700 on Tempur-Pedic adjustable mattress sets. Plus, you'll even get a $300 instant gift, good towards sleep accessories.
I absolutely love my dog, but the constant shedding, not so much. But then I got a Swiffer Sweeper pet kit, and it's amazing. These super thick cloths pick up a crazy amount of hair. Just look at all that. And that was from just one swipe. And the best part? Sweeper's so much easier to maneuver than a broom or easily getting around chairs and under the couch. You're right. Now I can focus on you, not your shedding. Swiffer Sweeper Pet Kit. Because shed happens.
Moments like watching my grandson steal second mean a lot to me. But after being diagnosed with metastatic breast cancer, or MBC, which is breast cancer that is spread to other parts of the body, they mean even more. Palbocide Lip.
Ibrance 125 milligram tablets with an aromatase inhibitor is for postmenopausal women or for men with HR-positive HER2-negative NBC as the first hormonal-based therapy. Ask your doctor about Ibrance and visit Ibrance.com. Ibrance may cause low white blood cell counts that may lead to serious infections. Ibrance may cause severe inflammation of the lungs. Both of these can lead to death. Tell your doctor right away if you have new or worsening symptoms, including trouble breathing, shortness of breath, cough, or chest pain. Before taking Ibrance, tell your doctor if you or other signs of infection, liver or kidney problems, are or plan to become pregnant, or are breastfeeding. Common side effects include low red blood cell and low platelet counts, infections, tiredness, nausea, sore mouth, abnormalities in liver blood tests, diarrhea, hair thinning, vomiting, rash, and loss of appetite.
This Labor Day is your saying goodbye to summer. Swing into your local Ashley store and say hello to all new furniture styles. With high-quality designer dupes in-store and online, you can get your favorite high-end looks without the high-end price point. Plus, you can get 0% interest for 60 months, no money down, during the Labor Day sale. Going on now, but only for a limited time.
Visit your local Ashley store or shop Ashley.com today. Some exclusions and minimums apply. See store for details. Now, local businesses can get closer to every customer in their city with fast, affordable shipping. Introducing USPS Connect Local.